Elon Musk claims the Tesla Model 3 performance will beat anything in its class on the track. So far, the Tesla Model 3 has only been available with rear-wheel drive, a single electric motor, and a long-range battery. A dual-motor, all-wheel drive version is also coming, but specifications have been kept a closely guarded secret, until now. On Twitter, Elon Musk finally revealed details about the much-anticipated all-wheel drive and performance versions of the Model 3. He also confirmed that orders for the more powerful variants are now open, adding that the driving feel is amazing. Topping the Model 3 territory is the performance trim, highlighting 20-inch wheels, a carbon fiber spoiler, high contrast inside and a double engine setup. It costs $78,000 including choices, yet AutoPilot costs additional. Musk included that it costs about the same as a BMW M3, however asserts it's speedier by 15%, has better dealing with, and will beat anything in its class on the track. 0 to 62 miles per hour in the Tesla Model 3 performance takes 3.5 seconds, previously hitting a best speed of 155 miles per hour. Musk likewise guarantees it will convey a scope of 310 miles on a solitary charge. In the event that you don't need every one of the overhauls and simply need to include a Moment engine for all-wheel drive, this choice costs an additional $5,000. Contrasted with the Model 3's 0-62 time of 5.1 to 5.6 seconds and 130 miles per hour top speed with a solitary engine setup, the dual-motor all-wheel drive adaptation can dash to 62 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds and achieve a best speed of 140 miles per hour. Including an additional engine likewise expands the unwavering quality. One engine is improved for control while the other is upgraded for go. However, the auto can even now be driven on the off chance that one of them separates. An online configurator is said to be accessible for clients who have put a reservation. Conveyances of the all-wheel drive Tesla Model 3 will begin in July.